What is up, YouTube? My name's Robbie Brad Jones and welcome to my channel. Yes, so today we're going to learn something about how to edit your 3D in Photoshop. Yes, but before that, intro. Okay, welcome back to the channel. So I created a work in Cinema 4D and I'm about to use it as a thumbnail. Definitely this thumbnail will be out before this video, because the video for the thumbnail will be out today very soon, and this video actually will follow. So I did a 3D on the thumbnail, and let me just import it real quick. And it's about how to transform your logo into 3D. Yes, I'm pretty sure you guys have watched the video by now. So I have the 3D here. I'm just going to import it into Camera Raw real quick, and this is actually good.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Charlie, it's good. It's good. It's good. Very good. Yes, so this is a 3D. Is looking very nice. I love it. So I'm going to import this into Camera Raw. I'm pretty sure we all have Camera Raw at this point. Then I'll start with the edit real quick. So let's take this guy into Camera Raw. So move on to your filter, Camera Raw filter, and it's going to open up. So it is done now. It is in Camera Raw now, and the main reason why, you know what, my thumbnail or my thumbnails file is very low, very low in resolution, because the thumbnail has this type of how do you call it? It has this type of resolution that you have to follow. Yeah, that's why it is very low. So I'm just going to open the 3D somewhere else, and yes, I'm praying these people don't surprise me, because do not surprise me.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Please. Okay, so we have the 3D here. I'm just going to do as I wanted to do earlier on, send it into Camera Raw. So it is opened in Camera Raw now, and the main reason why I'm doing this is because most of the times you won't really get what you want in Cinema 4D. You have to finish with the render in Cinema 4D and bring it to Photoshop to add your final touches. Yes, so this is the final touches that we're going to learn about. So move on to the basic. And we have temperature tint here. We don't want any of them. We'll move on to exposure real quick. Exposure controls the brightness and so on and so forth. I'm just going to add what I want to do here. So contrast, we'll go a bit forward. I want contrast to go a bit forward. So plus 39. Highlights will go down a bit. Shadows up. Whites will go up. Blacks will come back like so. Texture, just a little bit of texture, more clarity. Yes, you want that HDR effect. And if you can see down here, like the logo INC going on here, there's the HDR effect working. I really see that. Yes, and after that we're going to move on to detail. So for the detail, we're going to add some sharpen to it. Yes. And hold on alternate and drag the mask here just to see where the sharpen is affecting. So all the white areas you see is where the sharpen or the sharpness is affecting the the 3D. Yes, Charlie. So after that, we move on to color mixer, and we have saturation in here. Obviously, we want more red because it's YouTube. Yes, YouTube is all about red, and there's no orange here, no yellow, no green, no aqua, no whatever. So we just want the red only, and I won't do any color grade to it because I don't want any different colors coming in. So after that, I'll compare both, and we have how to call it, the before and afters here. So this is the before and this is the after, and as you can see, there's a total vast difference in them. Yes, I'm pretty sure you noticed by now. So after this, you're just going to click on OK real quick. Yes, it is done now. And as you can see, it is looking pretty cool, pretty awesome. So I'm just going to drag it into my thumbnail. And what the target, blah 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 blah. Come on, man, I want to proceed, dude. Yes. And what is this? It is almost filling the whole screen. God dang, I don't want this. I don't pay for this. Okay, so basically the whole idea behind this video is edit your 3Ds before you use them, or like take them wherever you want to take them. So yeah, this is it. This is what you clicked on for. This is what you came here to watch, and this is basically it.
So guys, that'll be it for today. Kindly subscribe to the channel, like that video, and I'll make sure to see you in the next one. Yeah. Bye-bye. Bye.